Yeah, hey there, it's Paul here from freedomtraderpro.com. Now, in this video, I want to talk about, can you make money with Forex signals? Now, the quick answer is yes and no, and I want to explain why I say that in this video. Okay, if you're brand new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I do put out a couple of videos each and every week to help you move forward in your Forex journey. Now, today I want to talk about Forex signals, and it's kind of a mindset thing, is the reason I want to discuss it. And the reason I wanted to talk about this is, can you make money with Forex signals? Now, my quick answer to that is no, I really don't believe you can. I'm going to explain why in this video. In fact, if you are making, not just making money, I mean, are you making full-time income money from Forex signals? If you are, I want you to leave a comment below and let me know, because I really don't believe, I've never met anybody who trades Forex that is making a full-time income using a signal service. I'm not saying signal services are bad by any means. You know, there's some great signal services out there. I personally don't use them. I want to be in complete control of my trading, and I want to be in control of everything that goes with it. I'm not interested in signal services myself. I know a lot of people are, but if you're trading a small account, like a $100, $200, $500, $1,000 account, whatever it is, you cannot make enough money other than just kind of playing about. You might make a few dollars, few pounds, whatever it is, but you're not going to make any proper money on a small account. If you've got a big account where you could make proper money, are you realistically going to be playing around with a signal service? Again, leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. You know, I might be on completely the wrong track with this. This is just my opinion. So, one of the reasons I don't think signal services work is mindset, okay? People need to get their mind in the right place. Now, you've probably heard before, Forex trading is 10% technical, 90% mindset. So, you know, if 90% of it is mindset and you're using a signal service for whatever it is, and, you know, maybe you take 10 trades and you get a couple of losses or 3 or 4 losses, whatever it is, can your mindset handle those losses? Or are you just going to write it off as a bad signal service? Now, it might not be a bad signal service. It depends on a lot of things. It depends on the win ratio. It depends on the risk to reward ratio of those trades. It depends on all sorts of things. But if you're the sort of person that's taking signals, I don't think personally your mindset is going to be in the right place to take those signals, to take those losses, and to be able to carry on and move forward. Again, you know, leave me a comment, let me know, because I could be completely wrong on this. This is just my opinion. Personally, I don't take signals. Excuse me, I'm not interested in, okay, let's go. You know, I'm learning this skill for myself. You know, I don't want to take signals, and I'm certainly not going to take signals from somebody else on a live account, because that's just, why would you want to do that when you can learn to trade yourself and all the rest of it? So, going back to the original question, can you make money with Forex signals? Yes, you can. I think if your mindset's right, you find a good signal service, the win ratio is good, or your risk to reward. I mean, you don't have the win ratio doesn't have to be huge if your risk to reward is good. But you need a combination of something where your overall profits are going to be, you know, your overall risk to reward and win ratio is going to be in a good place. I think to take signals, you've got to have some kind of technical understanding of being able to do analysis, whether that's smart money. You know, a lot of the retail methods using a lot of indicators and this, that, and the other have got small risk to reward. I've seen 1-to-1 risk to reward. I've seen a 1-to-2 risk to reward in the wrong, or 2-to-1 risk to reward, should I say, where you're risking maybe 2% to make 1%. That can go really wrong really quickly. Anyway, that's kind of going off on another tangent, but you know, I guess what I'm saying is, I don't believe that you can make money with Forex signals, not proper money anyway. leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful or whatever, please leave me a comment below. Please like and subscribe and do all the kind of rest of the stuff that would be awesome, because I'm currently at 600 subscribers-ish, and I'm just trying to grow this channel. So leave me a comment and subscribe, and I will see you in another video real soon. Take care.